morning from Grand Pine Farm. It's August 28th, 2025, and it's around 9 a.m. It's about 72 degrees, and the sun's trying to shine through the haze. I'm not for sure how today's going to turn out. It is pretty hazy. I'm not sure how the 7-Eleven chickens got out of the barn. Must have went through the chicken coop and back out. But I couldn't get them out last night when I shut the door, so I left them in there. Edith, why do you put the grain disher in the water, in the mud? Problem pig, I tell you. Alright guys, I got your hay on the cart. It's time to go eat. Alright, we're all happy. Now I go top the waters off. Spaz is coming down to check out the mice in the barn. Yeah, I thought Spaz had something. I'm not seeing nothing, but she's really being sneaky. Well, there is something there. Sally's gonna go ruin it. Harold? You're in luck. Got another broken egg. You want it? Good stuff, huh? Everything's set. Get the water going. I got one more pass to do right through this section right here. I got too many hoses on why there's not much pressure right there. We'll switch hoses as soon as I get far enough up here. So that'll help. Got to finish this up before the weekend. Got a lot of work to do on the weekend. Tighten up all the perimeter fences. At least that's the plan. Just have a big family get together and a work party, food, entertainment. Yeah, it'll be fun.